Hello class and welcome to week 12 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you'll be working out of the Grades module. We'll call it GRADE module for short. In English 101, you've started to work on the GRADE module, and you're going to be looking at a cultural icon who will be um, remembered for 300 years plus, and you'll have to come up with your own personal icon, be it someone in music, in theater, in the arts, someone in technology. I've had students in the past do someone like Elon Musk and so forth. So think about someone you believe will be a cultural icon, and that's going to be for English 101. Now for ACLT 053 this week, for the Great Week 1 discussion board post, I want you to reflect on the reading that you've been doing in English 101 on the article by Klosterman. And so the questions are, how do you connect with the ideas presented in the article? How did the information from the articles extend your thinking? What did you learn? And how did your thinking change? What challenges and questions do you have after reading these articles? Please make sure to organize your post in about 2 to 3 paragraphs by topic, include at least 2 direct quotations or paraphrase examples from the actual article, and don't forget to include in-text citations. At the end, please provide an MLA-style works cited entry for each of the sources that you listed. And then after that, the following day, I'd like you to respond to at least 2 peers with their postings. You want to build on something that your classmates have already said, explain why or how you see things differently, ask probing questions, share some insights, offer some opinions and some support. So please work on these 2 assignments. They're due, as always, at the end of the week, so please follow the calendar. Thank you.